Good day everyone, let me officially welcome you to my YouTube channel. Today I just want to explain to you how to wire a 30-ounce plug, like a plug like this. So how to wire it, that is what I want to explain to you today. And trust me, you will need this too, because for your electronics in the house, for now I want to change, these are the extension box, I want to change the plug. The plug is 40, it's no more work, so I want to change this to this. So you can change it for your extension box, you can change it for your blender, for your hot plate, for anything within the house. So consider subscribing to the channel, as we promise to be giving interesting electrical tips. So majorly you will need your plier, you need your screwdriver, and what we actually want to change, and you need your cable also. You need your cable. So let's go dive in. So let me open the plug for you. You see there is a screw here. There's a screw here. You've seen the screw? So place it right here. So if you check this please, this is where we are fixing a red terminal, like your red cable, which is positive. It's positive. Mazume. The positive cable will be here. We enter this place, while the negative cable will enter here. So let me show you the positive that I'm talking about. So peel your wire, peel it this way, peel it this way, peel it this way. So this is the positive I'm talking about, the red cable. Peel it like this. You just fold it twice. Put it right there. So same thing for this cable also. Have it fold. Just do it gently. So peel this off. Peel this off. So right here, you open this your plug. This is a plug. You open it right here. Like open here. Open here also. So you see there is L here. So this is the terminal that will act, that's the L we enter, and this is where the N we enter. So let's go right in into the. So go this way. This, as you can see, it's right here. As you can see, it's right here. Closely. Just tighten it very well. Make sure it is well. It's well tightened, as you can see. So let me even open this. So this one also. Have it this way. So fold it this way. So tighten this one very well. So this is a connection. Very simple. Red terminal enters there. Here we have this. Then the black enters there. Where we have this. So then you cover it back. Have it covered back. See? I see it. Right there. Right there. As you can see, it's right here. So that we are done. Perfect, 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 perfect. This guy is working. Let's test. This guy's charging. Charging. There's no more charging. This guy's charging. So, just subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you.